Wetherby Pembridge is a new independent secondary school right in the heart of London. We're currently in the theatre, which is central to life at the school because creative and performing arts are one of the three pillars to which we give equal importance in our curriculum. The theatre is very much at the heart of school life, so it needs to function as an auditorium. It also needs to lend itself to the teaching of academic drama, to co-curricular drama, to being a multi-use open space as well. So it really needs to be extremely versatile, but equipped to a really high standard. We are looking for a partner who can really deliver in terms of the really high level of specification that we need, but also back that up with the knowledge and the level of support. And we found working with Adlib to be a really positive experience.
On this project, we have 4 motorised truss bars. In-house, we designed and manufactured a flip-flop system. It's called a flip-flop because basically we can see how it just flip-flops on itself. So from a terminal box at the top, all the power control comes down, comes back into a terminal box here and then spreads out all the way across everywhere. We installed 7 manual winches. This is an Adlib in-house design and they're what's called a pile wind winch. All the students have to do is come and we put the drill on, disengage the brake, push the drill. It's as simple as that.
We find that it delivers really well. We had a whole school production at the end of last term and the space just functioned incredibly well, both from a technical and a production delivery perspective.
So as part of the AV system, we've got a tension roller 6.5 metre screen. To project onto that, there is a 7,200 lumen Panasonic laser projector. We have a performance system from L-Acoustics. It's a KS21 with 3 A10s underneath it and 2X8 delays. So the lighting system, we have ETC colour source profiles, Fresnels and sight lighting, and associated with that we have Martin moving lights.
We've had really positive feedback from our technical staff and they find that to be a really productive two-way relationship. The level of knowledge and the level of support provided are really outstanding.
Something unique about it here is because the hall was designed to be used as a multi-purpose hall, so as well as theatrical productions, you could have 200 children here with desks sitting their exams. If that's the situation, we have a facility where the light level can be driven up to get to an ambient lux of 500 required for exams. We've also got a set of PTZ cameras that can stream around the school so the headmaster's lecture can be straight into the classroom if required.
We have just cast and are underway with rehearsals for our whole school summer production of Alice, which is going to make really full use of this space and is going to be a technically demanding production, so really excited to see that.